right, it is day 27 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn more organized for the oncoming year. Upcoming year? Oncoming year. Upcoming year. We'll stick with upcoming year. All right, so this one is absolutely beautiful for all of you rustic look fans out there. If you have a house and you're really into the rustic look, the farmhouse look, then this might be perfect for you. Now, I'm not even sure what the original use of this cabinet was, but I think it's absolutely stunning. I love all of the windows, and I'm not sure if they open up like a door or if they are a drawer that pulls out. But either way, I think this is an absolutely stunning way to store your yarn. Where would you find a cabinet like this? I have no idea. This is probably something that you're going to find in the wild at a vintage store or an antique store. But if you find it, let me know, because I would love to see pictures of it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. If you know what the original use for this type of cabinet would be, let me know in the comments below, because I'm super curious. For whatever reason, I'm thinking maybe an old storefront or like an apothecary shop, but I'm not sure. So if you know, let me know. Maybe it was in an office? I don't know. Super curious. Let me know. All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. And until tomorrow, day 29, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.